In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix flicker in Davinci Resolve. First, go to the color page. This is where all the magic happens in Davinci Resolve. You will see a variety of options and tools designed for color correction and grading. The color page is an essential area for fine-tuning the visual aspects of your project. It allows you to manipulate colors, adjust contrast, and enhance the overall aesthetic of your video. By navigating to this page, you prepare yourself to tackle any flickering issues in your footage more effectively. This step is crucial because proper color adjustments can significantly enhance the visual quality of your project. Next, add a new node by pressing Alt and S together. When you do this, a new node will appear in the node tree. Nodes are fundamental in Davinci Resolve as they allow you to apply effects and corrections independently. Each node can be seen as a separate layer where you can add adjustments without affecting the others. This flexibility is key when you're working to resolve flickering issues, as it helps isolate your corrections. Remember, using nodes helps maintain a non-destructive workflow. This means you can always go back and make adjustments later if needed. Now, open OpenFX. This panel is where you can find a wide range of effects and filters to enhance your video. By accessing OpenFX, you unlock a toolbox filled with creative possibilities. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area because it contains essential tools that can help mitigate issues like flicker. Flickering can often be caused by rapid changes in brightness or exposure, and OpenFX provides the means to correct these inconsistencies. You will see a various effects listed here, making it easier for you to choose the right one for your needs. After that, add Gaussian Blur from the effects list. This particular effect is useful because it can soften the image, which helps in reducing the appearance of flicker. When you apply Gaussian Blur, it works by averaging the pixels around a specified area, creating a smoother transition between light and dark areas. You will notice the flickering starts to diminish as you apply this effect. This is an essential step because it significantly improves the viewing experience, making the footage more pleasant to watch. Next, apply a small amount of the blur. You can adjust the amount to find the right balance. A little goes a long way here. Too much blur can make your footage look soft or out of focus. Aim for just enough to smooth out the flicker without sacrificing the overall sharpness of your video. This step is important because it allows you to fine-tune the effect to match the specific needs of your footage. You will see the changes taking effect immediately, confirming that your adjustments are working as intended. With that done, you should notice a significant reduction in flicker. The combination of adding a node and applying Gaussian Blur helps create a more professional-looking video. By following these steps, you enhance your footage while addressing the flickering issue effectively. This process not only helps fix the problem but also increases the overall quality of your project. Always remember to save your work frequently as you make adjustments to ensure you don't lose any progress. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create stunning videos in Davinci Resolve.